What if you have an H1B visa and you get charged with a domestic violence crime in Seattle, Bellevue, or anywhere in Washington state? Well, that's a real big problem. And if you're watching this video, you probably know that. My name is Fryrear, and I'm a criminal defense attorney in Lynnwood, Washington. My firm has been defending people charged with crimes all throughout Washington state for over 20 years. And we have a whole lot of clients that have an H1B visa and have either misdemeanor or felony domestic violence cases. So this is an issue we face constantly. And so these are a few tips will be covered here in this video about how to get the result that you need to give you the best chance of having your criminal case not affect your visa. So I'm not an immigration attorney. I can just tell you what it is that I do as a criminal attorney to try to make sure that you're protected as best we can. The first and most important thing is we need to avoid a criminal conviction. We simply cannot have a criminal conviction of a domestic violence crime if we're going to give you the best chance of staying here and keeping your job. Conviction of a domestic violence crime, in many cases, is going to cause you a big problem. So, one, we need to avoid any type of domestic violence conviction. Two, if we avoid a conviction through an alternative resolution, such as a stipulated order of continuance or a pretrial diversion, we need to make sure that the terms are as positive as possible for you, where you need to do the least amount of things. We also need to be careful about what language is in the paperwork that we use to enter that alternative resolution. And oftentimes we'll work with your immigration attorney or the Immigration Rights Project to make sure that we get it to read the best we can. But it's really important we just don't take potluck whenever the prosecutor or the court gives us. We don't have total control, but oftentimes we can influence what is written there. And finally, another thing that you have to watch out for is making any additional admissions when we're in the court. We don't want you to talk about your case in the court. We don't want you to make statements in the court that immigration people can try to use against you. We want to do the talking in the court for you, and that's really important. So the good news is many times we can achieve a very successful result for you, sometimes even an outright dismissal. And if not an outright dismissal, sometimes a continuance for a dismissal. And we're quite aware of the things we need to do to try to protect you. So you have any questions or you need representation, you can give our office a call. We're available 24 hours a day. You can find the number listed in this video. Again, my name's Fryrear. We're going to do everything we can to help you in your special situation. Just give us a call and we'll be there for you. Thank you.